So this is how the workshop looks like. We have devices being assembled here. Here's the testing rig. I think they're finished already, these ones. The cases for the A1M are here. They're all 3D printed, obviously, since it's much more convenient for us. The devices are here. After adding the speaker here, we have a small focusing line in here. So basically, when they focus the lens on the board that is there. So this is how the workshop looks like. The parts for the A1M and other devices. We keep everything quite clean in here. Printers. We use P1S as the main printer. So we have 4 of the P1S and 1 P2S. They're printing harness boxes right now. We have a dryer for the filament, obviously. And the printers are tilted because we plan to add a pushing option. The prints will be pushed off the heat bed with a nozzle. We will add like an automatic opening to the doors. We also have a server here. And this is where the stable is, the stable Konik.ai, where you keep all the recordings from your Koniks. This is the old server. Now we move on to the second-hand servers that we bought, and basically here we plan to have half a petabyte of memory for stable. A bit of safety stuff. And now here is the office for the marketing part. We send devices from here. Basically they get packed here. And up with the finished product like this. Depending on which harness you choose, you get the appropriate one in the kit. So these stickers mean that they went through the control. Here are the harnesses, basically all of them. Here are the bits for the red pandas. The black pandas used to be here, but now since we moved on to the red pandas, now they're over, I see. Yeah, everything has a code, and we have a storage here basically for everything. So we track the amounts very precisely. Let me know what you guys think.